Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be doing an unboxing and first impression of the TNG TG113C. Again, from TNG flagship store in Lazada. We bought this, and the model is TG113C. Okay, but first things first, let's read some specs. So this one is part of the 113 series, started with the TG113, and then there's the 113A, and now there's the 113C. So we already have the 113A. Maybe we could do a versus video afterwards with the 113C. Okay, we're not gonna buy the 113 anymore because we all know that the difference is the speakers versus the 113A, the quality of the speakers, and the battery life. The battery life of the 113 only is longer than the 113A, but the 113A has better bass. So later we'll do a TG-113C versus TG-113A video. So what's the specs of this baby? Okay, the Bluetooth unfortunately is only 4.2 version. Again, the working distance of the Bluetooth is 10 meters. The battery, according to the user manual, is 1200 milliamps. So this baby can play a lot longer when it comes to the playtime. Normal volume playtime is 3 hours. So I guess that's like 50% or 60% volume. The speaker driver is 45 millimeter times 2. So it has 2 speakers. So what's the wattage of the speaker? Okay, the wattage of the speaker is 5 watts. There, 5 watts times 2. This one does not have a TWS function. Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't have any TWS, so you cannot buy 2 of these and pair it. With regards to the key and slot functions, you have the power supply, which is the mini USB port. You got the TF slot on top of the USB stick slot, and on the right is the auxiliary line slot. Okay, for the 3.5 jack of auxiliary cable. So I guess that's it for the specs. So what are we waiting for? Let's do some testing. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Bluetooth mode.
So that was the initial unboxing and testing for the TG113C TG113C unboxing and first impression. So far, uh, the sound is okay, and we will still do further testing by using different genre of music. But for now, the sound is okay. The packaging is okay. The quality of the build is solid. So I like it. It's clean and very, very professional. You know, people would love it. So this is the again this is the TG113C from TNG. So we bought this from Lazada in the TNG flagship store. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. This is UpStreamCharlie, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.